The apprenticeships work for me because I get more experience in a salon-based environment and get more clients to practice on to gain more experience.
The apprenticeship's been really good for me because I've always wanted to do hairdressing since I was younger.
You just get used to speaking to people, and communication in hairdressing is like a big part in it because you have to work out what the client wants and you have to ask questions. From getting an apprenticeship, I grew up instantly because I was in such a working environment, and I think it definitely makes you mature because you feel a bit more grown up in a working environment, and it's just a lot better, I think.
It doesn't actually feel like you're doing an apprenticeship. It's like you're working at your own rate, you're learning different things every day, and it's just opened up so many opportunities, and you gain like a family from it as well, which is nice.
You always have that tutor or assessor to be there to give you advice on where to go next or what you can do to solve the problem.
They always check up on you, make sure you're okay. They're always happy to help if anything's going wrong. And if you need someone to talk to, they're always there for you as well. You're always learning something new. I couldn't even do a blow dry, and now they're like my favourite things ever. You're always picking up different techniques on how to do things.
This experience has definitely given me a lot more confidence, and it's inspired me to have a bit more of an imagination on what my future could look like and what I want my future to look like. And I think if I was in full-time college, it's more of a school-based sort of thing, whereas having an apprenticeship is much more like you see what you can become after that point once you've qualified, and I think it's much more beneficial.
I used to be really shy, and now I'm always having conversations. I'm really talkative, and it's really nice to talk to other people and have conversations with different people on the daily, and clients really gain like friendships with you as well.